welcome back to another video here. Today I'll be reviewing this is what I found in the charity shop. It's a big bag full of this. Haven't looked at it. Whoa. Also, the time of this recording is 2021. I don't know when this will be uploaded though, so yeah. Get back to you. I am back. So this is what's inside of all of the track. This is where roughly, like there's a couple of words, there's a lot of mini shapes and there's 2 switches. And also there's a couple of these blocks. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that's what's inside this box. Is this a good one? Or is it a bad one? Tell me in the comments. I think I haven't figured that out yet. Anyway, like and subscribe if you really want to see more of this. Bye bye.